This is a hood frame cover for the Jaguar XK120 Drop Head Coupe. It's been made in black mohair as original. It's essentially a pre-sewn cover that hides the hood frame metalwork bars at the back of the car when it's all folded down. So as you can see, it's got the piping beading, 2 rows of it, going from left to right on the car and meeting in the corners here. It's a bit of an odd shape, especially when flat on a table, because the hood frames on the XK120 drop heads were rather large and cumbersome. It's also got these straps here for retaining it down to the car, and it gets edged all the way around in a matching mohair material. It gets a top stitching detail which coincides with the reinforced sections on the back of it. So if we look at the back, you'll see this has got the beige backing to it. We can also offer black backing depending on the main trim colour of the mohair. You can see the reinforced sections around these corners here, going all the way around. And then on this back section here, it's actually got a padding to it, which does 2 things. One, it helps maintain the shape required at the back for the large hood frame when folded down, but also offers a bit of protection as well, so that the metalwork doesn't start damaging the actual hood frame cover itself. In the centre here you have a top stitching detail going down there, and we also supply as standard all of the fixings required to attach it to the bodywork of the car. These are the female versions here. The fixings are fairly familiar to people. These bits here are used to secure it at the back underneath the bracket at the back of the car. Anyone that's got an E-Type will be familiar with them. See our website for more details.